Lesson 126, Theos. In this lesson, we have another noun that refers to a family member. In this case, it means uncle. In the nominative singular, ho theos. In the nominative plural, hoi theoi. Genitive singular, tu theou. Genitive plural, ton theon. Accusative singular, ton theon. Accusative plural, tous theous. Take a look at the accents here for this new noun. In the nominative singular, we have a circumflex over the iota. The final syllable of the word there in the nominative singular is short, but in the genitive singular, we have the diphthong that's comprised of omicron and upsilon. And so with that long final syllable, the accent changes from a circumflex to an acute. In the nominative plural, we have a diphthong at the end of the word, but that's the omicron iota diphthong, and that's one of two diphthongs that when it comes last in a word, it's counted as short. And so for that reason, because it's reckoned as short, that does not cause the circumflex to change into an acute. Let's take a look at our example sentence. Here we have a nominative being possessed by a genitive. That's ho theos, the uncle, and then tu kadmu says of Cadmus. So the uncle of Cadmus, or Cadmus's uncle. Esti means he, she, or it is, or just is. And then georgos means farmer. So the uncle of Cadmus is a farmer, or Cadmus's uncle is a farmer. Let's take a look at exercise number 2. Ho theos says the uncle, and it's being possessed by Telemachu. So it's the uncle of Telemachus, or Telemachus's uncle. Eche says he, she, or it has. And hippus means horses. Notice that that is a plural direct object. It's in the accusative plural. So the first part of the sentence says, the uncle of Telemachus has horses. Continuing on, we have kai, which means and choirus. That means pigs, but that's also in the accusative plural. So that's another direct object, along with hippus. So what we have so far would say, the uncle of Telemachus has horses and pigs. Hoti means because, and finally, georgosestin means he is a farmer. And the he here is referring back to the uncle of Telemachus. In the second part of the sentence, the part that says georgosestin, there is no separate word to be the subject of that area of the sentence. But we know, based on what we read in the first part of the sentence, that it's talking about Telemachus's uncle. So in the second part of the sentence, when we say georgosestin, we translate it as he is a farmer because we just assume it's still talking about Telemachus's uncle. We use the context from the first part of the sentence to inform us about how we should translate the second part of the sentence. We use that context to help us figure out what the second part of the sentence is saying.